Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Bonito's Foods. My name's Josh and today we're cooking barbecued pulled chicken tacos. Now what's great about this taco, it's really easy to make for a super delicious weekday meal and it's going to satisfy all your taste buds. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making our own barbecue sauce which is going to be sweet and tangy. Also to our barbecue sauce we're going to add smoky bacon. This is going to add a really nice smoky flavour to the barbecue sauce. We're also going to boil our chicken. Now what that does is it makes it really easy to pull apart a chicken to have pulled chicken. So first things first, we need to get the chicken on the boil. So all you need is a pan full of boiling water, a little bit of salt, then make sure all the chicken is the same size so it all cooks out the same ratio. And then you're looking to boil that chicken for around 10 to 15 minutes, maybe longer depending on the size you have. And all you want is that chicken just to be tender all the way through. So next thing, we need to make the barbecue sauce. So the barbecue sauce consists of streaky bacon, ketchup, light brown sugar, cider vinegar, mustard, honey, smoked paprika, cumin, Worcestershire sauce, some chipotle chili sauce, some pineapple juice, one whole lime which we'll use the juice from, and then just some salt and pepper to finish it off. So first thing, we need to get the bacon in the pan and fry off to make it nice and crispy. Once the bacon's all cooked and crispy, we then add all the rest of the ingredients, and then stir that all in together. So once the chicken's done, just drain it off the water. It's going to look a little bit gnarly, but do trust me, it's worth it because it's going to be really easy to pull apart with forks. Put it on the side to cool down, and then once it's cooled down, use 2 forks and rip apart the chicken until you have pulled chicken. Once your chicken's been pulled apart, then we add the sauce into the chicken and mix thoroughly. Just make sure there's a good sauce ratio to chicken. Start with your wraps. So all you need to do is get a frying pan, put no oil in, leave it dry, bring it up to temperature, make it quite hot so it's smoking. Get your wrap, put it on one side until it browns off a little bit, and do it again on the other side. Let that brown off again. Only takes 10 to 20 seconds on each side. And there you have it, that's my barbecued pulled chicken taco. Now if you want a recipe for this, go on my website bonitosfoods.com and I'll see you next time.